My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
and your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes,
You will always be
my endless love.
3 feet tall and full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive. And I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like Daddy, why is the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? Will I be tall and strong and brave?